Switzerland is often first visualized through its breathtaking landscapes, from the towering Alps to serene lakes, all embodying its cultural richness. Dig a little deeper, and you'll unearth its historical roots in chocolate and cheese making, two national symbols that tantalizingly represent both taste and tradition. Diving into the foundations of Switzerland's identity, one cannot overlook the nation's mastery over chocolate. The early origins of Swiss chocolate making trace back centuries, establishing a legacy that still remains unparalleled. When discussing the sheer magnitude of this industry, the statistics speak for themselves. Switzerland's chocolate exports and consumption rates are staggering, echoing their love and dedication to the craft. Swiss residents lead the pack in per capita chocolate consumption, and Switzerland ranks prominently among global chocolate production hubs. In 2019, the top 17 chocolate producers in the country crafted over 200,000 tons, with nearly 3/4 of that quantity finding buyers overseas. In 2021, statistics from the International Trade Center revealed that Switzerland contributed to approximately 1.8% of the global chocolate and cocoa-infused food exports. They dispatched around 118,000 tons of such products, amassing a revenue of €722 million. According to Statista, in 2022 alone, the chocolate consumption per capita in Switzerland was situated at 11.8 kilograms. The country was followed by the United States with 9 kilograms per capita, and Germany with 5.8 kilograms per capita. On a global stage, brands such as Toblerone, Lindt, and Nestle have not only fortified Switzerland's reputation in chocolate production but have also become household names in many corners of the world. Yet, the Swiss culinary tale doesn't end with chocolates. Cheese, another staple, is so much more than just the popular fondue that might immediately spring to mind. The cultural significance of Swiss cheese is interwoven with the country's history and traditions. Among the key varieties, Emmental and Raclette stand out, not just for their distinct flavors but also for their notable economic impact. Beyond the borders of Switzerland, the global appreciation for Swiss cheese is evident. Swiss cheese festivals draw enthusiasts from around the world, and the country's cheese exports further solidify its prominent position on the international culinary map. The flavors of Swiss chocolate and cheese may dominate many a palate, but Switzerland's influence extends far beyond these culinary delights. The country's transition from dairy to dirhams, or from chocolates to banking, is a story of astute financial acumen and a strong penchant for privacy. Switzerland's banking journey can be traced back to the establishment of its first banks in the 18th century. These initial institutions laid the foundation for what would become a global hub of private banking. As the country's banking sector evolved, private banking emerged as a dominant force, fueled by Switzerland's neutrality, political stability, and a clientele seeking discretion. The growth of private banking wasn't just a random occurrence, it was a meticulously crafted evolution influenced by Switzerland's unique position in global geopolitics and its long-standing tradition of maintaining confidentiality for its clients. This tradition of confidentiality culminated in Switzerland's famed banking secrecy laws. These laws, which ensure that the identities of account holders remain confidential, became synonymous with Swiss banking. While these laws bolstered Switzerland's reputation as a safe haven for assets and amplified its allure to high-net-worth individuals from around the globe, they weren't without their criticisms. Many argue that such secrecy facilitated money laundering and tax evasion. Thus, the very regulations that made Swiss banking unique and appealing to many also became a point of contention, painting it as a double-edged sword. When dissecting the scale and influence of Switzerland's banking sector, the numbers are both impressive and illuminating. Switzerland's contribution to global banking is immense. The nation is home to numerous banks, managing trillions in assets. These institutions don't just hold significant sway in the financial world, they are also pivotal to Switzerland's economy, employing a significant portion of the population and contributing immensely to the country's GDP. The tale of Switzerland, from its delectable chocolates and cheeses to its towering financial prowess, is a testament to its multifaceted identity on the world stage. Switzerland's influence doesn't stop at banking. Dive deeper, and you'll uncover an economic world rich in diversity, echoing the country's varied landscapes and multifaceted culture. Among the many booming sectors of the Swiss economy, the pharmaceutical and biotech sectors emerge prominently. Leading the charge are global giants like Novartis and Roche, not only serving as pillars of the Swiss economy but also playing pivotal roles in global health innovation. Their discoveries and breakthroughs in medicine position Switzerland at the top of global healthcare. Moving from the labs to artisan workshops, Switzerland's prowess in precision machinery and watches is unparalleled. The intricate art of watchmaking, deeply embedded in Swiss history, has evolved to become a hallmark of luxury and craftsmanship. Brands such as Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Swatch haven't merely clocked success, they've set global standards for precision, elegance, and innovation, making Swiss watches coveted possessions worldwide. Yet, for many, Switzerland's allure lies in its breathtaking landscapes, offering a blend of Alps, adventure, and affluence. Tourism is more than just a sector, it's a celebration of Switzerland's natural beauty and cultural richness. Contributing substantially to the nation's GDP, tourism draws visitors from every corner of the globe. Whether they're enticed by the pristine ski slopes, the mesmerizing lakes, or events like the Geneva International Motor Show, tourists find endless reasons to set their sights on Switzerland. Beyond its banking bastions and economic powerhouses, Switzerland's diversified economy showcases its ability to innovate, inspire, and invite the world to partake in its prosperity. While Switzerland's economic narrative boasts an impressive repertoire of successes, the nation also confronts a series of challenges, signposting the road ahead. A particularly poignant aspect of this journey revolves around the evolving banking norms. International pressure, especially from major global economies, has nudged Switzerland to revise its iconic banking secrecy rules. This has paved the way for a transition towards more transparent banking practices, ensuring the nation aligns with global standards while preserving its unique banking heritage. Yet, the challenges aren't confined to banking alone. In an era defined by digitization, Switzerland, like the rest of the world, is racing to adapt. Embracing the digital age, the country is championing fintech and digital innovation. Swiss tech hubs and startups are burgeoning, positioning Switzerland as a formidable player on the global digital scene. These efforts reflect Switzerland's commitment to remain at the forefront of global economic trends while harnessing the power of technology. Parallelly, environmental concerns cast their shadow. As a nation with some of the world's most pristine landscapes, Switzerland is deeply invested in sustainable practices. The commitment extends beyond policies, reflecting in the lifestyles and choices of its citizens. Yet, climate change, a ubiquitous global challenge, presents distinct threats to Switzerland, especially its alpine regions. The receding glaciers and shifting weather patterns underscore the urgency for proactive measures. Switzerland's economy is a vibrant blend of tradition and innovation. It's a tale of a nation that honors its rich heritage, be it in banking, watchmaking, or chocolate crafting, while simultaneously navigating the modern economic imperatives with agility and foresight. As Switzerland charts its future course, it continues its quest to find harmony between its storied past and the promising horizons of tomorrow.